Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can turn your passion for photography into a lucrative online income. Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. In this video, we're going to explore how you can earn money by uploading photos online. Let's get started. 1. Introduction to earning money through photo uploads. If you have a knack for capturing stunning images or simply love taking photos, there are fantastic opportunities online to monetize your talent. Let's dive into 3 popular methods for earning money by uploading photos. Stock photo agencies. Stock photo agencies are platforms where photographers can showcase and sell their images to a wide range of buyers. These buyers include businesses, marketers, bloggers, and designers who are in constant need of high-quality visuals for their projects. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces provide a platform for photographers to sell their photos directly to customers. These marketplaces offer a diverse range of image categories and styles, catering to different buyer preferences and niches. Your own photography website. If you want full control over your work and brand, creating your own photography website is an excellent option. It allows you to showcase your portfolio, establish your unique style, and connect directly with potential clients. Tips for earning money through photo uploads. Now that we understand the avenues available, let's discuss some essential tips to maximize your earnings. Quality and uniqueness. Invest time and effort in capturing high-quality, visually appealing photos. Stand out from the crowd by offering unique perspectives and compositions that catch the viewer's eye. Market research and trends. Stay informed about market demand and trends. Research popular themes and subjects that buyers are actively searching for. This way, you can cater to their needs and increase your chances of selling your photos. Proper tagging and metadata. When uploading your photos, ensure you provide accurate and relevant tags, titles, and descriptions. This helps potential buyers discover your images when they search for specific topics or concepts. Consistency and quantity. Consistency is key. Regularly upload new photos to keep your portfolio fresh and engaging. The more photos you have available, the greater the chances of attracting buyers and generating income. Rights and legal considerations. Before you start monetizing your photos, it's crucial to understand the rights and legal aspects associated with selling images online. Copyright and licensing. Make sure you have the necessary rights to the photos you upload. Understand different licensing options, such as royalty-free or rights-managed licenses, and choose the appropriate licensing model for your work. Model and property releases. Host. If your photos include recognizable people or private properties, obtaining model or property releases is vital. These releases grant you permission to sell and use the images commercially. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to earn money by uploading your photos online. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, continuous improvement, and understanding the needs of your target audience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and don't forget to share it with fellow photographers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.